Hey everybody, thank you for tuning into our videos here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. My name is Nick Gunderson, Sammy Smith behind the camera, here to bring you another example of our premium pre-owned motorhomes that we specialize in. 25-foot leisure travel unity. This is the rear lounge. The RL is one of the newer layouts from Leisure Travel. They're built way up in Winkler, Manitoba. And if you were to want to have one of these brand new, you'd have to wait about 12 to 14 months to get one. So to have a late model, super clean, low mileage unity like this, very rare, so we're super excited to have it here. Just under 19,000 miles. You can see the beautiful full body paint that they do. They are vacuum bonded walls, vacuum bonded roof. They get the curvature to the walls. So, and they're just really well appointed. You're getting Alco aluminum wheels, solar, inverter, great floor plan inside. This is a non-slide unit, so I'll have you follow me, Sammy, and we'll come in and take a look. So as we step in here, this is the front lounge portion of it. So you have jump seats behind the driver's seat, Mercedes cab up front, so you get the new 10.25-inch touchscreen, all the safety features, nice L-shaped galley back here with the countertop extension. You can see the amazing rope lighting that they're doing up top. It's a split bath. Toilet sink on one side, shower on the other side, and then the rear lounge in the back. We have it down in the Murphy bed position right now. If we were to lift this up, you have an L-shaped sofa, so you have place for 3 or 4 people up front, 3 or 4 in the back. So really great party coach. If you want to go down the road, use it for long periods of time or short trips, this is perfect for that. If you have any questions, give us a call. Check out our website at johnsonrv.com. Again, my name is Nick. Thanks for watching.